So here's the deal. I am going to Texas for my sister's husband's brother's wife's baby shower. Did you catch that? I am partnering with Neutrogena to share this vlog with you guys, to tell you guys how I jet set and travel, as you can see with the bags under my eyes. I'm gonna show you how I mask and take care of my skin. Oh, it's gonna be a big weekend filled with lots of family, lots of masking, lots of family. I just upgraded myself because I think I deserve it. I travel too much to not, man. Here we go, giddy up. Statement I never thought I'd say. We are on our way to McAllen, Texas. McAllen, Texas. Shout out to McAllen, though.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Never been, but you know.
First time for everything.
Yes.
Money. Hello.
Is it opening, Michelle?
Oh, she has nothing to say. Hello. Hello, aunties, and hello, McAllen, Texas.
Hey,
Hi, auntie. Say hi. Look how preggo and adorable you are. Hey, Maya, say hi. Daddy! Give me a hug. I'm actually impressed with McAllen, Texas, because of the company. Good to see you, Raj.
Big celebrity, he has a lot of following.
Daddy, tell him the story of the bank.
Oh, you know, I went to in India, Hyderabad. Usually it's very hard to cash in checks. And there's a girl, she said, "Are you Deepica's dad?" I said, "Yes." She said, "Ah, no problem, you're Deepica's dad, I know you." She cashed my check, 1 lakh rupees.
Hyderabad.
Hey.
Yeah. Mommy, we're twinsies. I can't believe Mom cut your hair. It looks so good. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Say hi.
Oh, hey, what's up?
I can't believe you disagreed to that. Today I am at my sister's sister-in-law's baby shower in McAllen, Texas, wearing Money Jessel. Little mint outfits at Joe. It's gonna be a fun day. Let's give us a twirl, darling. Yes. Oh my gosh, you're literally a princess today. So beautiful. I love it. You're having an emotional moment. This is so cute. I get to witness all of it. And so does everyone on my YouTube channel. Did you know that McAllen has an international airport? I just found out.
Who will cry first when the baby's born?
I will.
Who will gag first when changing a poopy diaper?
He will.
Who's excited to taste some poop?
No, not me.
I don't know what, it just looks so repulsive.
Go, you actually ate from there. That's impressive.
Baby Ruth.
Write it so on the paper. Like what y'all think.
Reina, say hi. Look at your bow, it's so pretty. Yay, good. You did a good job, Monty. I'm proud of you.
Hi, everybody.
The poop game was a little much.
But it was great.
Jessica was just eating it.
She totally did.
She was just eating it. I was like,
She
is that a
devoured.
pregnancy craving?
She
Like,
devoured that thing. Made
everyone's asking when you're having a baby.
Not anytime soon.
Then I have to deal with doing this stuff. We always say that Monica's gonna have a boy and I'm gonna have the girl.
That's gonna actually end up being the opposite.
Yeah, I can't even imagine having a boy.
You know how cute you would dress the kid up to? He look cute with his little hats and stuff and his little suits he can wear.
But the girl, I can give her lipstick.
You can give the guy lipstick too. I mean, hey, it's
true.
a new world.
Nap time. Peace. Just woke up from a fantastic, much needed, necessary nap. Fell asleep with makeup on. I think I have a slight rash happening. And now what are we doing, Monty? We're going to
Temple?
It's like poppin'. Temple in McAllen, like there's like no room. Gotta take off my shoes. Temple rules. It's a big 10-day celebration of Ganesh. There's a piñata. How cute, Raj.
So good at this temple.
It's so pretty.
The whole place is marble.
Dinner time. How happy are you?
So happy.
How happy is Baby Reddy?
Baby Reddy's moving and loving his chips.
I know, we need that authentic food.
Yummy mayonnaises and
I know, it's like mayo dip.
it's mayo dip. That's what it is.
Now she has them too.
Who's winning? Are you playing rummy? Dad? 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 Dad?
Yes, they are.
And why are they ignoring me? It's rude. It's like I'm not even here. Mom, come wash your face. You know those Neutrogena wipes I always use? They have them in like individuals now. Yeah, it's new. They're so little. It's like so compact and perfect for travel. You could like put it in your clutch. They literally look like little chocolates. Dude, it's so little. It looks like fake. It's so mini. No, I'm just laughing at your crawling on the floor to avoid the camera. Ugh, I feel free. All this makeup off my face. I looked crazy. I was on the plane and I did the Hydro Boost one. This one has hyaluronic acid.
I think that's what we did for the wedding time too.
Yeah. Deep clean mask, radiance boost, brightening for your face, and Hydro Boost. I always go for the Hydra. On planes, I like those because you could just like lay there.
Yeah.
But I think I'm gonna do one of these so then it's like the same thing, but they're like in little pods. Hydro Boost Deep Clean. I think I need Deep Clean. Removes dirt and oil. Single use. All these travel size things are so cute. Oh my god, my skin hates me from traveling so much. I feel like I'm just going from one plane to another plane. Now you have to get on one tomorrow.
I'll mask myself too then.
And then it'll just like stuck to your skin. I always do this. I take this and put it over my lips for lip hydration. Now you can't talk. But I feel like every time I'm on a plane, I try to put this on because that's when like your skin is the most dehydrated. And now, I relax. Why isn't my mom coming to help me pack?
Because your sister's here.
She's not helping me either. I brought an India suitcase for 48 hours. It's because I packed a bunch of stuff for everyone else. Money, tell them.
I'm putting deal on, no need to.
In case anyone's wondering why my mom couldn't help me pack. Intense card game happening. Priorities. I sound like such a brat, don't I? She's the best. I'm just being a jerk. Did you win?
$20.
Hey, you didn't lose? Daddy, do you know Beyonce? My dad will not let me take an Uber anywhere in this town, and I like fake only know how to drive. So of course my father is dropping me off to the Beyonce concert because I am back in the 8th grade. I don't enjoy concerts. I don't like the crowd sit show, but if I am going, I'm down to go front row, especially if it's Beyonce. Like I need her to sweat on me. Like that would be making my evening. Lego. At what age am I gonna be able to drive myself to a concert? Well, when I'm married, will I be allowed to? I'm making money moves, Dad.
See, money you can make any time, but once you're old, you cannot get
Yeah,
married.
you say that now. If I was married and not, then you'd be mad too.
No, you're driving good drive. No, it's okay.
Yeah, shocking. Now I can go by myself next time?
Yes.
Liar.
One more time. Okay.
Exactly. All right.
Let's go.
Beyonce time. You're not gonna believe what happened. So we get to the concert and I'm like super hype, right? I'm like so excited. I'm like, Beyonce, I don't really like concerts, but I love Beyonce. Front row, everything is good. We get to the front. Ask for the tickets. They're like, no sir, we don't have your tickets. No ma'am, don't have your tickets. And my friend's like, I bought them off of SeatGeek. We call SeatGeek and literally they're like, there's an error in processing this and these tickets were for yesterday, so we can offer you a full refund. You can offer us a full refund? I'm sorry, I'm pretty sure if you didn't give us a refund of the money that we paid for this concert, you'd be stealing. Why don't you get us other tickets? They're like, unfortunately there aren't other tickets. I wouldn't buy them off of our site if I was you. Somebody from SeatGeek straight up tells us that she wouldn't buy tickets off of their site. That makes a lot of sense. You guys tell me, but apparently this is a legit site. I've never heard it or used it. I was really, really, really bummed, I'm not gonna lie, but this is like a fake problem in life, you know? Like, boo-hoo, my front row Beyonce tickets weren't real and didn't exist, boo-hoo. But hey, a girl's allowed to have her moment. I was really looking forward to it. I never, ever, ever spend money on concerts or do concerts, so I was like really excited. Oh man, it pained me because right afterwards she like posted a Instagram and it was like, H-Town, I do it for the H, to do it for the 713, and I was like, I do it for the 713 too. We're like the same. I'm just kidding, we're not the same. like I said, fake problems, life moves on. And now I am home and I'm in my nightie per usual. Hello, on these sheets that really should have been thrown away 10 years ago. Like, what's happening? But we're going to make some chicken curry and my mom and I are gonna film that. And then I go to bed and my flight is tomorrow. And then I'm back here again in 2 weeks and I am here for a wedding. And then straight from the wedding, I go to Seattle for Create and Cultivate. This jet set life, man, my skin. But I will say, through it all, my skin looks pretty darn good. Shout out to Neutrogena for hooking it up with those masks and taking care of my skin. So until next time, sorry, staring at my skin again. Hope you guys enjoyed my time in Texas, McAllen, Texas, my first time there. We'll see you guys next time. Mom, is the chicken ready?